and I'm pretty sure I went to sleep at like 11. I literally just woke up. I believe I just slept for 10 hours. It is that time of the month right now, so I'm like super just a sleepy bear. Like all day I'm sleepy. I can like sleep forever. So I just woke up. I have acupuncture today. I have to run some errands and I'm kind of just chilling on the couch right now, having a slow morning. I've really been loving having a slow morning. It kind of works out too because Frankie is a morning gym person, so he won't even be back for like another hour or so. So like by the time I have to go and do the things that I need to do, he's back. So it's like we have like our own peaceful mornings, and then on the weekends we have like cute mornings together. So it's really nice for me, and I feel like the morning time is like so important to like set the tone of your day. And I used to be so hectic in the morning, like force myself to wake up at like 5 a.m. Even if I had gone to sleep at like midnight. I thought I was like, no, this is the epitome of being productive, is like waking up at the crack of ass just to like get things done and feel productive and blah blah blah. And then I'd have to like over drink coffee because I was so just like tired throughout the day. And it was like going against my own circadian rhythm and forcing myself to go to sleep and wake up at times that just did not work for me. I've really grown out of that, I think, and I'm like, what am I doing to myself? I work for myself. I work my own hours. If I need to work a few hours later during the like evening time because I woke up a few hours later because I couldn't get to sleep at a reasonable time, it's okay. Like, I obviously don't want to aim to do that every day. Sorry, I'm literally in my bathrobe, by the way. But if I have to do that a little bit, sometimes it's okay. Like, my health and my sleep and my mental health is way more important than like getting up and then going to bed at like a certain time, just because that's like what I thought was like healthy and that's what I thought was productive. So this video is going to be kind of just like a typical vlog style video, but I'm also going to be going over 5 things that I feel like have really changed the way that I live my life and changed me as a person and changed my life for the better. And they're 5 little effortless, in my opinion, habits that people don't think about and can honestly be like overlooked, but they have improved my quality of life so much. And the first one is sleeping in. Like, as silly as that sounds, sleeping in is, to me, like, that I don't mean like, oh, sleeping in like, you know, till 11 a.m. every day. I mean like sleeping until your body has rested, like sleeping for 8 to 10 hours every night. Everybody's different. Some people only need 7. Some people can function off very little sleep. Some people like actually prefer to have like 6 or 7 hours because they feel groggy off 8 or 9. Not me. I've realized when I get 10 hours of sleep, you guys, I feel like a new person. Like, the sleep quality too that I get at my mom's house, like back in Massachusetts, because it's completely uninterrupted. I'm in literally like the sticks. There's no noise around. I can sleep forever. My mom is so kind and respectful of my sleep. She like wants me to sleep for literally all of eternity, so she will do everything in her power to not let me wake up. And it's the best. Like, I actually feel like I could literally conquer the world the next day. And so after feeling like that for so long, every time I would visit my mom, I was like, why don't I just do this at home? Why don't I just let my body rest? So yeah, I definitely try to get in bed at a reasonable time. I try to be in bed by like 8 o'clock or 9 every single night, and then asleep by 10 or 11. So like I said, guys, I'm not like waking up at freaking noon or 1 or anything. Like, I'm going with my body's natural circadian rhythm, but that's not 5 and 6 a.m. That's more like between 7 and 9. And in my opinion, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm still productive. I'm still on my grind. I'm still on my shit. Just because I don't wake up at 5 a.m. doesn't mean I'm not productive. This just works better for me. That's kind of tip number 1. We're going to talk about acupuncture too. I don't think I can film, this is the thing, like, I want to talk to you guys about acupuncture more, and I will share where I go for acupuncture because I think that Dr. Choi, my acupuncturist, has done so much good for me, my hormones, my mental health. He's just a ray of sunshine, the sweetest man. I'm pretty sure he's in his 80s, and he's just the cutest, sweetest person in the world, and is extremely knowledgeable and has helped me so much. I don't think I'm going to be able to vlog me actually getting the acupuncture. I could try. Just because It's literally needles going into my body. Like, do you guys even want to see that? You know what acupuncture is, you know what I mean? Like, I guess I can just show you guys the actual office where I go. It is nothing fancy at all. It's like Dr. Choi's just little private practice, but it's super clean. He's the sweetest man, and he has quite literally changed my life. Gotten me back my natural cycle without birth control, helped me through so many mental health struggles. His number one thing that he always says to me is, you think too much. And he'll say, not thinking so much. And he'll say, like, for all of everything in life, like all stress is just like, throw it in the garbage. Because he can tell that I'm a very overthinker, very much a stress ball for no reason too. It'll be like over nothing. Like, I get anxious over like, I'm going to a new workout class, or like, I have like one thing to do tomorrow morning and I have to leave the house. Like, I don't know why I'm like this, because I'm a very social, outgoing person, but like everything stresses me out. And he has really helped me work through that and remind myself, like, not thinking so much. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go to Dr. Choi. Like I said, it's 9:10 right now. I have to leave at about 9:40. So I have like 30 minutes to just kind of chill, and then I'm enjoying a cup of coffee on the couch, watching some YouTube, doing some emails. And in like 20 minutes, I'll just like brush my teeth and throw on a little outfit and roll out. It's very, like, I always go comfy to Dr. Choi's. Yeah. I just left acupuncture right now. I literally almost fell asleep. It's actually one of the reasons why I'm gonna be so sad to move, is like, I was talking to my friend Mariana, and she was like, sorry, I put my air conditioner on because it's hot as hell in my car, and I'm literally wearing sweatpants. So anyways, I was talking to my friend Mariana, and she was like, are you gonna try to find an acupuncturist back home in Massachusetts? And I was like, I am, but it's never gonna compare to Dr. Choi. Every time afterwards, it's like my tradition, I get my favorite iced vanilla latte from Bluestone Lane, and I FaceTime my mom and tell her how it went, because she's been here with me on my whole hormone healing journey. And yeah, he's just great. He put the acupuncture needles in my arms, my hands, my feet, my like calves, I guess, like my legs, the one in my head, like right in my forehead, and one on top. Again, I didn't vlog it just because for me, I like to take that time to like relax, unwind, kind of almost meditate, chill. He puts like heat lamps and he turns the lights off, and it's just like my 1 hour of just like chilling. But yeah, that's that. Love him to death. He's the best, cutest man in the whole world. And he's helped me tremendously. So yeah, acupuncture is something where, like, again, I'm not gonna say it's gonna work for everybody because everybody's different, but it is something that has really worked for me. And if you are experiencing some kind of issues, whether that be hormonal or just maybe you have some kind of stress in your life, or maybe you are having some other kind of ailments, I've heard that it can do wonders for all types of things. So highly recommend at least giving it a try and sticking with it for like a few sessions just to see if it's something that can work for you. Like I said, it might not, but hopefully it can maybe help somebody out. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna head to Bluestone. I just pre-ordered my vanilla latte. So excited. I know I already had a coffee this morning, but I just really, when I'm on my period, I'm like, I'm just craving whatever I'm craving, and I'm gonna eat just that. I'm gonna get home. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's 11 o'clock and I'm kind of getting starving right now, so I'm going to make myself a breakfast sandwich with some cut up fruit on the side because that's what I'm craving, and it's gonna be delicious. But yeah, I'm gonna FaceTime my mom right now, tell her how everything went, what Dr. Choi said, blah blah blah. Okay, sir, you better not pull out right now. Anyways, yeah. Hey guys, I got my coffee, and I just got off the phone with my mom, and I checked my Oura Ring score at a red light, and it was so funny because it said that it detected a nap from the time that I was laying down for acupuncture. That must be how relaxed my like nervous system was, that it literally detected that I was taking a nap, which I didn't fall asleep. So that's just so funny to me. But they made my coffee today, 10 out of 10.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Just finished up breakfast, or I guess brunch, and I lit some candles all over the house. Like there's one going over there, there's one going up there, and then this one is so good. I actually got it from HomeGoods. Smells like, it's just amazing. It literally smells like lavender, or orchid, sorry, not lavender, but it smells amazing. It's like the best. I think this would be a great spring scent, but it's also really fresh for the summer. I'm getting super excited for fall though, but this just, oh my God, it's the best candle. But something that I've also been doing lately is just kind of setting the mood for myself. I might turn on like some nice like mood music, just like lo-fi stuff while I like do my work. Prioritizing rest is kind of like my third thing that has really changed. And I don't mean just rest as in sleep, but like taking rest days, relaxing. I was gonna do a workout, but my cramps are kind of killing me. So I think I'm just going to relax for a little bit, do some work on my computer, chill, and then maybe go for a low impact walk. So yeah, taking rest days, listening to your body. And I'm sorry you can't see my face right now. But yeah.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
I'm just walking on the treadmill right now because I feel like it helps me with my cramps, to be honest. Like my stomach is so bloated right now. It's unbelievable, and I find walking is one of the most underrated things. I've preached about walking so many times, but like walking outside I love, and it's normally my preferred method of walking, but because it's so incredibly hot outside right now in Los Angeles, I'm just not subjecting myself to that. So I put on my favorite YouTube videos, I brought my coffee down and some water, and I've just been like watching YouTube videos, and I've just been walking for like 25-ish minutes so far. I'm starting to feel a little better, but walking is one of those things that has literally changed my life. It makes it feel like even the most mundane activities that help you get your steps in make you feel like you're still exercising. So like you could just be cleaning the house or doing anything and you're like being active, still exercising. It's really nice. I think it's like in the best, most healthy way possible. It's like really changed my outlook on health and fitness. And I just love walking. I just think it's the best thing you can do. Like even if your body's tired, I don't try to force it at all. Just a little bit of movement, even a short walk, 10-15 minutes, does wonders. It helps me sleep, makes me feel like I'm active, gets my digestion going. Like it's just the best.
Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.